Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you a back to school lunch, or it could be a back to school lunch for a teacher. So let me get started. This is my mixed salad here. I'm going to take some of this out so that I can add it to the container. I usually cover mine with a napkin over the top. It lasts longer. I'm going to take about a cup out, and I want to cover it back up. If the towel is too damp, I usually replace it with another towel. And I'm going to go ahead and place it back in the refrigerator. This usually lasts me at least a week. Close it tightly. I buy these at the Dollar Tree, and this is good for anything that's small to put in your lunchbox. These are good for dipping, whatever you need to dip. This is a jumbo dill pickle. What I usually do with the pickle, I love pickles. I cut it in half first. And then I will scoop out the center part of it so that I can place the meat. There's a lot of juice in this one. In this container over there. I love creating and looking at something to make a keto dish. I love creating different recipes from different things I used to eat to make them low carb and keto. From different things I used to eat. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and add some meat in the pocket. This is Cajun, fresh Cajun breast meat. I don't buy the breast meat that's been sitting around for a long time. This one does not contain any nitrates. Good for you if you eat turkey meat. So I just pop that one in the center there. I'm gonna take this cheese and I'm gonna cut it again in half so it'll fit in here better. That's not quite half, but that's the best I can do at this moment. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to put the condiments on this at this time. What I'm going to do is put that in another container. Okay, there's my pickle sandwich there. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some other items to the container. I'm adding some mixed salad. I'm going to stuff that in there. So you have plenty of salad. Now I'm going to add this to the container. I'll place the container in there. I love mustard and mayo on my sandwiches. And that's what I'm going to add here. A little mustard. And I just usually mix them together. This is a teaspoon of mayo. That's Duke's mayo. I can make my own, but for this video, I'm not. And I'm going to place that up there. And then I'm going to add one more. And this is the one that's going to have the salad dressing on it. Caesar salad here. I'm going to fill this about 2 tablespoons of salad dressing. And I don't know about you, but I like pepper on my salad. So I just add a little bit to the salad itself. So I'm going to close the container. I'm gonna open it for the purpose of this. This is a pickle, turkey, and cheese sandwich over here. This is mayo and mustard for the sandwich after you get ready to eat it. This is Caesar salad and black pepper. I like pepper on mine. And these are the mixed greens here for your salad. So this would be a very good lunch or snack after school. So I'm gonna go ahead and place a top on this one and place it in the refrigerator. Okay, it's ready to go in the refrigerator. Sometimes when we travel, we take something like this with us, you know, because a lot of the airports, they don't serve keto. The only thing that you can count on is maybe a salad and some fried Wingstop. This is another lunch here. This is 4 ounces of fish. It's already been cooked. So when you get to, this is more for a teacher. If you get to work, you want to take this out of this container. You can put it on a paper plate, or you could leave it on the napkin and microwave it for 30 seconds and it'll be ready to eat. I'm gonna add a little pepper to it. Okay, and I like some mayo with mine, so I'm gonna just add a little mayo to this little container here for the fish. It's about 2 tablespoons. Okay, got those in there. Now I'm gonna add some of the mixed dressing. Just pack it in there. You can get quite a bit of salad in there. You just have to pack it in there. So you got some nice salad there. So I'm gonna add some more of these on there. Okay, I'm gonna add a little cheese on this salad. This is about a third ounce of 2 slices of cheese. It's not a lot. You can put less on there if you like. I have a scale over there. I should have weighed it, but I didn't. Okay. All right. Now that's a beautiful lunch. Beautiful lunch. You got mayo in one container. Then you have Caesar salad in the other one. You have a piece of tilapia, baked tilapia that I baked with a little butter on it, salt and pepper. And then we have a beautiful salad here. And always, you know, place your fork and knife in a separate little plastic container. And you're good to go. You're good to go back to school. It's better if you have glass containers you're gonna heat up anything in the microwave. But this is a great lunch. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this one in the refrigerator. And these trays are from the dollar store as well. And I just press them in the middle and make sure they seal properly. This is my celery that I just took out of the refrigerator. I always wrap it in aluminum foil in the refrigerator, and it stays for quite a while. I like the idea of doing that. So when you buy celery, in aluminum foil and place it in the refrigerator. So this will be good when I make soup stock, so I'll leave that there. And then I'll just wrap it back up and place it back in the refrigerator. You know, if you need to replace the aluminum foil, go ahead and do so at this time. But mine seem to be fine, so I'll go ahead and place it back in here. Off. And cut the ends off. And cut them into kind of bite-sized pieces. Okay, just set those aside for a second. This is what I had in the bowl there. You could fix something like this to add to the lunchbox. It's really good. It has a lot of vitamins, electrolytes. So I use this every morning. I only take half of the container because I find that it's a little too sweet for me. Those that have a sweet tooth, it'd probably be fine for you, but I add mine to 2 containers of water, and it's really good. I like it. Some Cajun turkey and cheese in the container in this end. This is a bacon and pickle wrap there. I'm adding that to the container. And turkey wrap with a toothpick in it. So I'm gonna add that one to the container. So it's 3 pieces of protein in there. And now I'm gonna add this. I have the guacamole, avocado dip there on the end. I'm gonna add these little chips there so that they can use that to dip the avocado with. And I also have the celery sticks on this side. Now, tell me, you would really enjoy a lunch like this if someone fixed a lunch for you like this. You could easily go keto, right? A lot of you are saying, right, no. But this would be the type of lunch we would have, even if we at home, because you know, it's easy to make a day ahead and place it in the refrigerator. And so that's what we usually do. I usually do. Bill does. I usually do. So let me just put this in a little container on this side here, so we can make it kind of cute. There we go. And again, you would place your spoon and fork. If you need a knife, you would do that as well. And I usually add a little salt and pepper on the side, like in one of these little containers, and just squeeze it in there, sea salt. And it's ready to eat because the bacon is done. Everything is ready to eat. So I hope you like these ideas for lunch. I mean, they are very easy to make and easy to carry with you. And it'll give you enough protein to last throughout lunch. And when you get home, you can make something else if you like. So I didn't calculate the calories or macros. You can do that yourself. This is 1 slice of whole bacon there, 1 slice of Cajun turkey there, and turkey with Cajun turkey with cheese. And these are 2 stalks of celery, other vegetable I have on the side. And I have a whole boiled egg and 1 container of avocado dip. So if you like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I ate some of the food, but I forgot the film. So have a great day.